up, y'all? Welcome back to Blondie's Garage. I'm so glad you're here joining us for another video today. We're just going to be hanging out in the shop working on the right-hand drive build. I want to wish everybody a happy New Year's. I'm so thankful that we made it to 2023 because honestly I thought 2022 would never end. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but happy New Year. And we're so excited for all the projects and goals that we have planned for this year. The results of this video are going to be really awesome. We're going to definitely fix something that's been needing to be fixed for a while. So you definitely want to stick around. I'm going to go ahead and play musical cars. That way we can get the right-hand drive pulled in here and get to work. Already making a mess in the shop, I see. Just finished out changing the valve stem seals. And we're getting ready to put the cams back in. This thing is still smoking like a freight train, so...
No, it's not smoking as bad as it was.
Okay, yeah, it's better, but it's still not all the way fixed. So we're gonna get the cams back in, get everything put back together, and then hopefully, we're really hoping that it fixes it. Hey honey, how'd the test drive go?
You ready to sell it?
That bad?
Yup, it's still smoking.
Oh man.
Looks like we're taking a road trip because I'm sick of this junkyard engine.
Well, let's go get in the truck.
You ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. We're leaving Waffle House super early in the morning. We're headed to Dallas.
Why are you going to Dallas?
Because we gotta fix the right-hand drive.
Why'd you break it?
I didn't.
It's okay. Oh, chicken's a problem.
It's got beef.
It's got beef with my tire.
You got an extra starter on there?
Yeah, I just noticed it's got a starter. I didn't even realize that. You can see the snout of it sticking through right there. Right here. It seems like I think everything's gonna be fine. It felt pretty healthy turning it over by hand.
Yeah, we've got the new K24 in the shop.
K24 A, straight from Japan.
But we are going to go ahead and put that in the right-hand drive. That way we can actually enjoy it.
Sad day.
I know.
You realize you're a failure.
Whatever, babe.
No, I really think when I ran it low on oil, on accident, of course, never on purpose. I think I burned up maybe the valve guides are leaking, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with it, but this thing smokes so bad, and we cannot even cruise it without getting smoked out.
The bottom end's been rebuilt twice. Not professionally, of course, just by me. But the compression's great. The cylinder leakage is like 1%. The bottom end's sealing really good. Everything seems good on there. I've changed the valve seals 3 times now. The valve stem seals, and it's still burning oil. So
we've gone through a ton of spark plugs, and
the only thing I haven't done is pull the head off and send it out and have the valve guides replaced. That's basically what I'm gonna do at this point, but
yeah,
I don't want to do it and it not work, so we've decided to just put another motor in it for now, and then hopefully get this one fixed and put back in the future since it's already painted and nice.
But yeah, that's the plan, guys, for the right-hand drive. Let's go ahead and get started. Got it out, babe.
Yup, we did it.
Yep, it's back out of the car.
Don't tell Osha.
It was pretty sketchy. Not gonna lie.
Man, it's so tall. It's just high.
Yeah, the hood almost touched the ceiling.
No, we weren't even paying attention to that. That was almost a oops.
Yup. But we've got the motor out, and now we're gonna get this new one ready to put in. Alrighty guys, we are so excited. We've got the transmission bolted to the engine. We've got the intake manifold on. We've got the water pump housing, the header. This thing is pretty much ready to get dropped in the car. Well, in this case, get slid under the car.
Get the car dropped around it.
But yeah. Y'all ready to install a K24? I know I am. We're pulling all-nighter out here.
You gonna do one of those magic tricks or you just go like snap and it's in?
Yeah! You ready?
It didn't work. Try it again. Maybe it'll go in this time.
Maybe. Alright, you guys ready for the magic?
Still nothing.
Still nothing.
Damn it, I wish it was that easy. I guess it don't work like that.
Tonight's the night. We've got the new K-Series installed. Just got all the fluids put in. And we're about to crank it for our first start.
Cranking it for oil pressure first.
Well, yeah. But then we're going to see if it's going to start. Now it's time to go for a test drive. We're about to go for a ride in the right-hand drive. We're testing it out, making sure there's no smoke clouds coming out anymore. Think we're gonna be good, but let's go ahead and get in and go for a ride. Home sweet home. We made it back from the lake and we're proud to report that there wasn't one single puff of smoke. Alrighty guys, we're so happy that we got the right-hand drive drivable. It's definitely a great way to kick off the new year, and there's plenty more where that came from. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up if you did. Click that subscribe button if you guys want to keep up with our future projects, and we'll see you in the next video.